Want a password-protected Google Drive folder? This quick workaround lets you put a password step in front of your files without installing anything. Just keep in mind, this isn't built-in Google Drive password protection. It's a workaround using Google Forms. Let's set it up. First, open Google Drive and go to My Drive. Now find the folder you want to protect. For this example, I'll use a folder called Private Files. If you don't have a folder yet, click New in the top left corner, select New Folder and give it a name. Once your folder is ready, leave it open for a moment. Now open Google Forms in a new browser tab. Then create a blank form. At the top, click the form title and rename it something like Private File Access. Next, click the question field and type Enter the access code. Then click the question type menu and select Short Answer. Now we need to tell Google Forms which answer is correct. Click the three-dot menu in the bottom right of the question. Then select Response Validation. Make sure the validation type is set to text. For the password, I'll use a different example, Blue Folder 47. Now add a custom error message, such as Incorrect Code. Please try again. That way, anyone entering the wrong code will know they need to try again. Next, click the Settings tab at the top. Then scroll down to the Presentation section. Click the drop-down to open it. Find Confirmation Message, then click Edit. Here, enter a short message such as Access Approved. Click below to open the files. We'll add your Google Drive folder link here in just a moment. Now go back to your Google Drive tab. Right-click the folder you're protecting. Then click Share. Under General Access, click the current access setting. If you want people to access the folder through the link, select anyone with the link. Then click Copy Link. Now return to Google Forms and paste that link into the confirmation message. Then click Save. Now, let's make sure everything actually works before you share it. At the top right of Google Forms, click Preview. The form will open in a new tab. Enter an incorrect code first, such as greenfile22, and submit it. You should see your error message. Now enter the correct code, bluefolder47, and submit the form. If everything is set up correctly, the confirmation message will appear with a link to your Google Drive folder. Click the link, and it should take you to your files. There's one important thing you should know before using this. This is not true password protection built into Google Drive. Once someone gets the actual Google Drive link, they may be able to share that link with someone else. So this method is better thought of as a simple access code gate, not a secure replacement for encrypted file protection. If you need stronger security for sensitive files, use a proper encrypted or password-protected file solution instead. If this helped you out, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials and useful fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.